Hello everyone, welcome to the Shenzhen Hotelex. At the TOPSFLO Booth 15F58, we are proud to present this year's boxes, home solution for automatic commercial coffee machines. A perfect cup of coffee relies on a stable, efficient, and quite cool micro-pump system. TOPSFLO provides professional equipment manufactured with precisely, such as a complete and reliable pump solution portfolio. Firstly, for espresso system, we offer a complete suite including TG06 and MJ2000 professional extraction pumps, TG06, TG01 milk forcing pumps, and the TM14, TM13, TP13 air pumps. Secondly, to meet the demands of Americano and cold brew coffee, we provide the smooth operating TL series micro circulation pumps. Furthermore, our solutions extend to the end beverage station, such as a high temperature resistant 100-degree B series food grade micro water pump, specifically engineered for commercial water boils. Whether you are developing a new machine or seeking a performance upgrade, we invite you to the booth 15F58. Our engineer team looks forward to in-depth discussion and providing you with the professional technical support. TOPSFLO awaits your visit at booth 15F58.